Good morning. Welcome back. English Bal Bharti class 4. Today we are going to learn a interesting poem. Before that I have to tell that few lines. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें बताऊं बात में एक ज्ञान की। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें बताऊं बात में एक ज्ञान की। पेड़ पौधे ही करते हैं रक्षा अपनी प्राण की। पेड़ पौधे ही करते हैं रक्षा अपनी प्राण की। Now you all get to know that which poem we are going to learn today. Let's see. Poem number 33 on planting a tree. See, before discussing about poem, let's understood some important benefit on planting a tree. See, we have to know that importance that benefits on a planting a tree. As you all know, trees are very useful to all of us. They give us oxygen that we need to breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. So, what happens when they absorb carbon dioxide? They reduce the air pollution. Trees also provide us food, protection and home for animals, birds and mammals. They also provide us materials for tools, shelters. They also increase the beauty of the nature. So, children, shall we start the poem? Poem number 33 on planting a tree. Let's read the poem first and then I will discuss all that poem. Adapted from an Arbor Day tree. Dear little tree that we plant today, what will you be when you are old and grey? The saving bank of squirrel and mouse and robin, wren, an apartment house. The dressing room of butterflies ball, the locust and the katydid concert hall. The schoolboy ladder in the happy May, and the schoolgirl tent on a holiday. And May leaves shall whisper then merrily a tale of children who planted me. It is a very beautiful poem which is very telling us the importance on a planting a tree. In the poem, the children who are planting a tree ask the tree what it will be when they are old and grey. What is the meaning of when they are old and grey? That means when they became old after many years. Then what the tree replies? That the children are asking question to the tree what it will be do that when it is old and grey. The tree will reply that at that time like a saving bank of squirrel and mouse. Saving bank means a place where we deposit the money. We have saved for future years for the saving bank for the squirrel and mouse, in which they can store their food for difficult time. Ahead trees answering that in the further line the tree answering that it will also a house for robin and wren. Robin means a small bird and wren also a small bird. Their nest inside in the holes. Apartment means a place where we live. So it will be nice house for the small bird like as a robin and wren. There they are live. see, tree says it will also dressing room of butterfly, that ball. There the butterfly can dress himself with nice colorful wings and they can get ready for dance, and it can also a place where the locusts and the kitty did they can sing their song. What is the meaning of locust? A large grasshopper and strong part flies kitty. Kitty is also a large typically green bush cricket. It is also from the grasshopper family that is mainly found in the North America. In the summer vacation means in during the May, the school boy climb on the tree like a ladder, and the school girl what she does during holidays, she can use it like a tent house. It means there are different uses for animals when the tree became old and grey. Then the tree says that the leaves were rusted merrily. Immediately leaves were rusted out and happily talk about the children who planted it. Now tree is very happy because the children who planted it, it is useful for all of them. So it's a beautiful poem which is related with the tree. I hope you understood this easy poem and you also come to know the importance of trees in our life. Take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.